Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing these amazing beauty hair extensions. These are the clip-in extensions and I've never used these before, so I'm going to be putting them in my hair and trying them out for the very first time and styling them for you guys. So I'm going to show you, they come in this box and then they come in a little cute little bag here. And I believe this is 100% human hair, so you can put heat on them, you can color them, and style them as you wish. I believe the color that I got is number 4, and these are 22 inches long. I like that with like clip-in extensions, you can take them out and put them in whenever you need. So in the package, it comes with a clip to help you apply the extensions, and it also comes with a little comb too to help section out your hair. I'm so excited to put these in. This is pretty much what it looks like. Super long. Hopefully this is a good match. It looks like it's pretty similar to my color right now, so I feel like it'll blend in, especially like after I curl it and everything. So the first weft comes with like 4 clips here, and this will probably be in the back area. I have used extensions from this brand before. I've used their tape-in extensions and they were great. The only thing is for like the tape-ins from them, I would definitely recommend using their remover. I tried using a different brand's remover with their tape and it became like this huge mess in my hair. So just if you use their tape-ins, I would use the same remover. So it's easy to take them out and you don't have like this huge mess in your hair. Okay, so it looks like there's like 4 little ones that come with just a single clip. This is probably just going to be for like the sides to fill in. And then the majority of the back, there is about 3 wefts with 3 clips, which I feel like is a lot. That's nice. And then there are 2 wefts with 2 clips. So I think I'll start off with the 2 clip. So I'm just going to section my hair from the back. And then see if the 2 clip will fit there. If it doesn't, then I'll just put in the 1. So I'm grabbing the extension, opening up the clips. Sometimes if you have finer hair, you can tease it to kind of get a little bit more grip, but for me that feels fine. I don't think it's gonna slip. And I'm just gonna continue that as I go up my head. I'm probably gonna leave about like a finger's, like 1 finger length in between each weft. And I'm just sectioning it with my fingers. So I think above that 2 clip one, I'm gonna do a 3 clip. clipping the middle one to make sure it's centered. It honestly feels really nice. I feel like the quality of the hair feels very soft and like feels like real hair, which I really like. These are like super long, I love it. And it seems like it is matching really well with my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do another finger length up from that last weft. I feel like they give you a lot of hair too, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put all this hair in my hair. So above that 3 clip weft, I'm gonna do another 3 for the back. And again, I'm gonna clip the middle of that first to make sure that it's centered, and then clipping the side. And so far they feel very comfortable, not heavy at all. Feels pretty comfortable and nice. Okay, after that one I'm gonna go ahead and put, there is one that has about 4 clips, and I'm gonna put that over the last one. Okay, so before moving on, I feel like before putting in that 4 one, I'm gonna put a single one on the side here. And as I'm moving up the head, I'm just making sure that everything is kind of the same angle from my head. So here, since this back one is up here, I'm gonna move on to the sides and just clip this in. And go a little bit higher up. I feel like that was too close to my hairline. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put a single clip. Feels good. And do another single on this side. I really like that this box comes with like a variety of different clips. Like they have multiple single clips and multiple like ones that are 2s, 3s, and 4s, which is really nice to like really customize the look. Okay, so I put 2 singles on the side. I'm gonna do 4 on top of everything now. So I'm gonna get the 4 clip, put that in. And again, these are still very comfortable. I don't feel like it's too heavy just yet. Wow, so nice. I am so obsessed with it already. It feels so pretty. Oh my gosh, I haven't had long hair like this in forever, so this feels so nice. And honestly, I can't even tell the difference between like the extension and my hair. Like texture wise, it feels very real and it's like really soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put like another single on each side, and then I think I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna end up using all of the hair that came with it. So this one I'm just gonna pop it here, just so it gives me a little length in the front here. And the placement of like the way that I'm just putting it in is as I would for like normal extensions too. But I really like the clip-ins because I like that I can like take them out and put them in when I want. So it's very comfortable and like portable to change up your look on the go or wherever. What do you guys think? It's so much hair, oh my gosh. Feels great. Okay, so before I curl it, I'm gonna put in a little bit of heat protectant. Even though these are extensions, when you deal with extensions, you should treat them like they're your real hair. So I'm gonna put in some Pulperize Munich, which is like just like a hair serum heat protectant on it. And then I'm gonna go in with a 1-inch barrel to curl them. This way it's gonna blend a little bit better because you can still see like the short pieces that I have in my hair. Pretty noticeable when it's straight, especially because it's not like blow dried together or styled together yet. Okay, so for my curling iron, I'm gonna be using the Olivia Garden Titanium in Ion. And I really like this curling iron because this heats up and this heats up. So it gives you like an even distribution of heat when you curl your hair, and it makes it super easy. I'm just gonna do this really quickly because I just wanna show you how to just quickly blend it. I'm not gonna use any clips to section, but I'm just going in from the mid shaft. And I basically just want like a really soft wave. Sorry, I had to quickly switch angles because it was really hard for me to see what I was curling. So now I'm in front of a mirror. So I'm gonna continue curling up. And as I'm curling, I'm trying to grab like a piece of my hair and a piece of the extension together to help really blend the two. Wow, I really like the color now that I'm looking at it up close in the mirror. So far I feel like it's curling really easily. Feels nice and looks like it's holding the curl well too, which is really important. And I'm just doing like soft waves going down. I like to start from the mid shaft and then work my way towards the bottom. It just makes it easier. And I'm not going to be curling my root just because the hair is so long that it's going to weigh it down anyway. So I'm just focusing on blending that mid with my hair so that it looks more real. But wow, this hair is so pretty. And my sectioning, I'm probably just taking a section no bigger than the length, like the width of my barrel, just so that it can curl well enough. Anything bigger might not curl evenly. But again, this curling iron is really great with like distributing heat from the top and the bottom. So much hair. Oh my god. I feel like it's endless as I'm curling this. And with like clip-in extensions, I would probably wash it after a couple uses. And then washing it, I would just wash it with normal shampoo, condition it, and just treat it like it's your hair. Well, I'm like in awe of the color. I feel like it matches so well. Can't believe that it looks so real. I'm going to let that side cool, and I'm gonna do this side. I don't wear clip-in extensions often, but I do like to wear them if I like want to dress up my hair or just feeling like wanting to have long hair for a little bit. I feel like I go back and forth with having like long hair or wanting long hair and then wanting short hair. So this is like a good medium to like enjoy both. I'm actually really surprised that it's like holding the curls so well. I feel like sometimes extension hair can be a little difficult and you might feel like you want to put a little bit more heat, but I feel like these are curling very, very well. Okay, so I just finished curling the extensions and I feel like it blends so well with my hair. Like the color of it is perfect, and I really felt like it held the curl pretty well too, which is amazing. It feels really nice, and yeah, I feel like I would definitely purchase these and get them probably in different colors, because I saw that they do have like balayage one or ombre ones that are a little bit lighter on the ends. But overall, I'm very impressed with these extensions and the quality of them and how well they were able to like style and match my hair. You can go onto the Amazing Beauty website to see what deals they have on their extensions. They have all types of extensions too, and a wide range of colors to help match. And it was really easy for me to just find the color that would go with my hair. So They have like little swatches and stuff on their website to help you choose the right color for you. But overall, very impressed with them. I do love them, and honestly, I feel like these will hold up. I feel like they're very comfortable against the head, and the way that everything is kind of clipped, it was super easy to use. But yeah, overall very happy. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you to decide if you want to try out their extensions. You can buy them online on their website. But yeah, that is it for this week's episode. I will talk to you guys next week. Bye!